Alright, hello everybody and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to make this hemp necklace, and it's not complete because I'm going to finish it on the video just to show you how it's done. You're going to see that you have two different cords, two different lengths of hemp. One's going to be longer than the other one, and this one is the longer one while this one is a shorter one. And why these are different lengths is that this one is going to be the center of the hemp necklace, and this one is just going to tie around it in the pattern. So go ahead for the first step, go ahead and undo this completely and then fold it in half. So the first step in tying your hemp necklace is going to be folding the two lengths that you have in half. And these are in half. It's hard to show you for the purposes of this video. So what we're going to be doing is taking the two lengths of hemp that you have, putting them together, putting them on top of each other, inside each other, whatever, just like that. And then, kind of pinching them together, just making sure that they're one cord right here, one strand. And then what you're going to want to do to start out your necklace is to do an overhand knot. And if you don't know what an overhand knot is, that's okay. That's totally normal. So what you're going to do is kind of take 6 inches of length and make a P shape out of it, like this. You can add more length if you need. And then, so just like this, the two ropes are together. And then put this end that has went underneath the mainstream over and through your hole that you've created. So over and through, just like this, so that you can create kind of like the first step in tying your shoes, except it's only with one lace, I guess, for the analogy. And then you have this end here and a firm knot at the end. So that is the first step, and I'm going to be showing you with the other rope how to do the second step. So you're going to have this shorter length, see, shorter length, that's the end of it. As these go on for a long time, the longer lengths are tied around this center shorter length. So you have the center, then you have the right and the left side. You're gonna have to fasten this end to something up here and fasten this end to something, down here towards you, just so that you keep this steady while you're tying around. Let me do that real quick. So now that I have the two ends fastened down, I can teach you how to tie in the easiest way possible, how to tie the half knot. And it's a very simple knot, so just give it some patience and some time, and you'll be on your way. It'll click for you, and you'll understand it so easily. So what I've done, this is a tip that you might not understand now, but later on you might thank me for it, which is to ball up the rest of your long end, because they're pretty long, so you don't want to have to pull through the whole feet, few feet of length through the knot each time. So ball them up and keep them here, and it's better for explaining as well. Now to tie the half knot, what you're going to want to do, never mess with this. This is tied down, this never gets touched. You just you tie around it. So remember, pick up the right length, cross over, go over with the left length. So that's over. Now with this right length, you picked it up, so it's going to go over this left length, and then underneath the two strings. Okay, it's underneath it, and then you're going to go over and through this bulge that this originally left length left behind, over and through, and then pull it tight. So there's two more things that I want to mention. How to add the bead is to just slip on a bead to one of these strands right here, and then simply just tie around it. It's very, very easy. The second thing that I want to mention is that there's two types of tying that you can do on this. There's a spiral type like this, and then there's a straight, path like this that you can have. How to get the spiral type is to just keep doing basically what I was doing, right over left or whatever, that the half knot that I was showing you. But to do the straight path, you have to do the half knot that I was showing you, and then just translate everything for opposite hands. It's the same knot with just different crossing over. So that is how to make the hemp necklace. And if you're having troubles with it, just post down in the comments below any questions that you have, and I'll be able to respond within less than 24 hours. This is a fun and overall easy thing to do. Just once you get the hang of it, it's a big learning curve in the beginning, but hopefully this video helped you jump over that quicker than I jumped over it myself.